how to add audio in CapCut. So guys, sometime we want to add audio in the video in CapCut. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel.
For adding any audio in CapCut, so firstly open the CapCut. So after opening the CapCut, you can select any project from the previous project and then click on new project. So after click on new project, here you can select any project from your gallery. So after selecting, you can see here is the options of add. So after this you can also mute clip video from this. So after this you can also mute the audio from this video, and after this you can add any audio on this video. So after for adding any audio, so click on audio option. So after this, here you can see sound option, so click on sound. So here you can see multiple sounds, so you can select any sounds from the CapCut. So you can also listen this sound, so by click on it. So after listening you can see plus option, so click on plus options. So guys, in this way you can see the sound is added in the video. So guys, in this way you can add any sound on the CapCut. So guys, if you want to add sound from your gallery, so then for example I want to add sound from my gallery. So then click on sounds. So after this, here is the options of gallery. So then you can see here extract audio from the video. So after this, click on it, and here you can see you can select any sounds from your gallery. So after selecting, click on add options. So you can see the audio is extracted. Then click on this audio and you can listen, and then you can add by click on plus options. So guys, in this way you can add any sound from your gallery or from the CapCut. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for